All right, so here is Neutrogena Sport Face Oil-Free Sunscreen. Now this is a broad spectrum SPF 70 plus sunscreen. Okay, so I've used this product quite extensively, and it does in fact protect against sunburn. Now it says that it's made for the face, and indeed it does work well for the face, but I am not recommending this, but I actually use this for other body parts as well, such as my shoulders. Now I'm not recommending that, but that's what I also use it for. It's probably a little bit expensive by using it for other things other than the face, but I find that this works very well, very lightweight when you're putting it on. So I like it for that. Now it says that it won't clog pores, and I can attest to that. At least for me, it does not clog pores when using this product as if you were to use some other form of facial sunscreen, or sunscreen not meant for the face, but you use it anyway because you don't want to get burned. Now it says resist sweat off. Yes, it does in fact resist sweat off. I can still feel the product even when I'm sweating using this product. So it does resist that, and says oxybenzone free. I don't know that because I don't know what oxybenzone looks like, so I couldn't look inside of the bottle and determine whether or not that is actually factual. Now, when it comes to being water resistant for 80 minutes, it's somewhere around there because I've put this on, I've gone swimming outside, I've sweat with this, and it does protect for quite some time when I'm using this product. 80 minutes roughly, give or take. It depends on how much you're sweating or how much you're in the water, but it does do it for about 80 minutes. Now, if you look on the back, it says it has the ingredients right here, the recipe for blocking the sun right here, the sunscreen right here. Important that you read all of this. Now, it's important that you apply this 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating. All right, at least every 2 hours, it says right here. Immediately after towel drying, and a lot of things. It says spending time in the sun increases your risk of skin cancer. Absolutely. So it's important that you use an SPF value of 15 or higher and other skin protection measures. Okay, so there's a lot of things to read about. Let's go get on and open this up, and then let me tell you about my experience with this. So one of the concerns that I have with sunscreen is because my skin is of a darker tone, I apply it on there and it comes in as it turns me blanco or white, right? You see that? But one thing that I found out about this Neutrogena Sport Face is that it actually absorbs pretty well. And if I rub it in, the whiteness goes away. It blends inside of my skin, still offering me protection and not making me blanco. So I'm rubbing this in right here. You can see there is the protection right there. There is a slight tinge of whiteness right here, but overall, I still have my chocolate. All right. So I like this product. It lasts quite a long time. It does not clog the pores like some other products will. Has a nice smell to it, not too sweet, not too overpowering, and it makes a great sunblock. So I've used this extensively while swimming, while playing sport activities. Here it says Sport Face, Sport. Okay, so I used it while playing sport, and it offers quite the amount of protection that I expect out of a product when I'm applying it. So the Neutrogena Sport Face, I enjoy it. It works well for me. Comparative to other products that I've tried, this is probably one of the best that I've used. One of the reasons why is because it has 70 plus SPF. That's a lot of protection right there with Helioplex in there. I don't know what Helioplex is, but it sounds quite fancy. It's lightweight, doesn't feel oily. It says it's oil free. In fact, it does not feel oily. So I really enjoy it for that. It washes off relatively easily once I use soap, and the product is really good. So that's Neutrogena Sport Face Oil-Free Sunscreen. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.